and their dads.
Okay, before we get into this, let's talk about That One Emo Band.
That One Emo Band.
They're like any other emo band, but better.
Yeah, could be any band.
It could be any band. It could be that band, but it's that one emo band. Okay, so please enjoy us rocking out to